don't forget, the goal is still billionaire status. But kind of achieve billionaire status. There are persons I'm really jealous of in this world. I swear. And again, the different one, the relationship. And this relationship, I work any relationship. I work on that one. If you look at both of them, say both of you should just find a way to separate because this is obviously not working. Why are you forcing it? They gave me four. And you ask them, how long have you guys been together? They're telling you they've been together for 6 years, 10 years. And you go on to ask them again, where did you guys meet? I think we met in secondary school. We met since we were 13. We were childhood lovers. We met in university. And you guys have been together since then. And you could see that obviously these persons have gone through some conflict or some breakups at a point, but they still came back to choose each other. How do you guys do this? I'm really jealous of you people, to be honest with you. Like, I'll be like, God, we could bomb this time. God, when? Can you go my relationship? If in the Hana Banyamana, can you guys better break up and find each other and go and find your soulmate because this is obviously not working. About relationship people now to like Temi and Tosin now. At least it was 8 years. What about this UK couple? Wunye Williams Chamber. I even have a friend too, quite remotely, that if you look at them, be like, now 7 years on each other's case. If to be honest with you, it's an underrated blessing. If you're able to find a person whom chooses you over and over again in this world. Because I saw a reel one time that was saying that one of the reasons for marriage is for someone to bear testament that you were in this world. And also, for companionship. When you pray tonight, pray for your own person. God when.